Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the search section on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy, just go enter the application and here you will find this up right here. You will find the search section, click on it and here you can search anything you want. Here you will find the latest search and here you will find the trend search. For example, you can click here and you can choose the goods, the users, as you see, and also you can filter. You can filter sort by or the type or the date posted. Also you can click here clear, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.